I'm again up so. Can you want capture my soul? I'm again up so. Make you one more.
Hey fam, welcome back to the channel. Ewoma here. How una day? Guys, the pressure is getting worse and I have finally given into the pressure. I don't finally give into the peer pressure. See, I discovered that it's only me that is not doing vlogmas. If you know you're my partner, we're not doing vlogmas, indicate in the comment section. Not only am I not doing vlogmas, I realized that I've not done any cooking challenge. Like what? I've not done any cooking challenge on this channel, and I say worry babe, we know they carry last. So guys, in today's video I'll be jumping on the Sisi Yemmie's 1500 naira cooking challenge. In this economy and in this time, this challenge go hard, we cannot lie, especially for us that live in Porthacourt. See, if you know anyone living in Porthacourt, go and give the person a tight hug because things are very expensive. So thankfully, the challenge is not a strict one where you must prepare a particular kind of food. So I'm going to be preparing sweet potato porridge, and it's not the type that this one a designer sweet potato porridge. Okay, so guys, stay tuned. And also I'll be taking you guys to the market with me. We're going to be shopping together. I have my list here. Yes, this is my list. I have my list here, and as for the money, I will withdraw it on my way out. So guys, let us go and start this challenge. I'm again up so. Can you want capture my soul? I'm again up so. Make you one more.
I told you don't be this. I bet give me tomato 200.
I think I use tomato 200.
Strong one, no. Now what? See tomato, pepper. Why the pepper then tiny like that? This one's a hot. This one's a hot. No, give me strong one. See this Nine minutes. What of the other one? Sorry. That one. The shiny. Okay, now big ones there. I know they like this one. Maybe original food. You don't get it. Yeah, cost for me now. So tiny and
see, why will not tell me on time say this challenge is not for the faint-hearted? Almost today my eyes have seen what my mouth cannot see. See me with all the plans of going to any market, how much is bangi, how much is this, how much is that, show you guys everywhere. When we came out, if you see how hot the weather was, my baby girl was crying. I had to divert to the local market, and even in that one she was still crying. It remains small. The first to say whether that me born is speaking, so I had to quickly buy everything and run out of the market because today it was not it at all. So guys, it's time to enter the next stage of this challenge, which is the actual cooking. So let us go to the kitchen. Let me show you guys everything I bought quickly, and then we'll start cooking. I can hear my madam calling me. Hey, oh yeah, now let's go. So guys, this is everything I bought from the market, and I no go lie, small shade they catch me because these things, okay. So the potatoes, this is sweet potatoes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 small pieces of small potatoes were sold for 200 naira. Hey, and I bought from all those abukio, and you'd expect that maybe they'll be quite cheaper, but no, these potatoes cost 200 naira. Okay, these fresh peppers cost 100 naira. These tiny fresh peppers, but the seller claimed they are hotter than the bigger ones. Then these fresh tomatoes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 pieces of fresh tomatoes cost 200 naira. See, if you see anybody or you know anybody that stays in Porthacourt, please go and give the person a tight hug because we are seeing shagging in this city of Porthacourt. Okay, so guys, I also bought this seasoning cubes, 2.5 pieces of seasoning cube for 15 naira. So I guess each one is 10 naira, so that's 15 naira. And then I got this ugu for 100 naira. In Porthacourt here, they claim they don't sell 15 naira own, so I'm going to share this into two because I will not be needing all of it. So let's just say this one is 15 naira, okay? And then I got vegetable oil for 120. This small thing for 120. Then I have onions for 100 naira. At least this one looks better. 6 pieces of onions for 100 naira. And guys, this is the star of the show. This is what makes this food a little expensive. The fish, this one cost me 600 naira for this tiny fish, and they claim it's because it's original Titus Abiscubia. Please, how do you know original Titus fish if you see it? So guys, everything here cost me how much? I'm going to leave the sum total of everything here on the screen. Now that we have seen everything I bought, let us get into the cooking, because now there the work day. So guys, we're going to begin by boiling our fish. Just add your fish to a clean pot. Go in with some seasoning cube. I use just 2 cubes. Add some salt to taste. Add onions. Add enough water for the fish to get cooked. Just move it around to ensure that everything you put in the fish is evenly mixed, and then you allow it to cook. So while your fish is cooking, you can go ahead and slice your tomato, pepper and onions. You can even decide to blend it, but I prefer slicing mine. So now that the fish is properly cooked, it's time to take it out and set it aside. The fish will be deboned properly because the baby is going to eat it, but if you don't want to debone your fish, you can go ahead to fry it or put it just like that into the food. So the next thing to do is to introduce your washed potatoes into the same pot you used to steam your fish. There is no need to remove the fish stock. It's going to add extra yumminess to your potato. So you just add your potato into the pot, add enough water for the potato to cook and allow it to cook. So guys, the potatoes have been cooking for a while. It's time to check if they are ready, and yes, it is soft and ready. So we're just going to set it aside, and it's time to bring everything together. It's all going to make sense. Guys, you won't believe what happened to me. My gas finished. I had to transfer my pan to my cam gas. Next, I'm going to go in with seasoning cube. I'll also go in with a little salt, not forgetting that our potatoes are already tasty. This is just for the sauce to have its own taste. And then we're going to stir this around. Guys, this is why I hate using my cam gas. You can see it's already burning. Next, we go in with our deboned and shredded fish. Guys, you need to debone this fish very carefully, especially if you have kids eating it. So after adding your fish, you're just going to stir this around. Make sure that the fish is everywhere. Everything needs to be properly mixed for this sauce to hit different. So guys, this sauce is ready. If you want to have this with boiled potato, boiled plantain, boiled yam, fried plantain, anything, it is ready, okay? But we are going to take this a step further. Guys, it is time to reintroduce our boiled potatoes into our sauce. Guys, can you see why I said this particular potato porridge is not the regular? This one a designer's potato porridge. You need to try it out if you haven't. It is different. It tastes, oh my goodness, it tastes so good. You will not want to cook potato porridge any other way. So now that we have added our potatoes, we're going to stir this around. You want everything to be well incorporated. Make sure that your potato is soft. If you want to give this to a baby, you can mash it at this point because it is suitable for kids from 6 months and above. Guys, our food is ready. You can literally eat it like this. It is delicious, but we are not done. We are going to go in with our ugu. You see why I called it designer potato porridge? So in my pan, I have oil already in the pan, which is the oil we bought from the market. I'm going to allow it heat a bit, and then I'm going to go in with my fresh pepper, onions and fresh tomatoes, and we are going to stir this around to allow it fry properly. Guys, all you need to do is to stir to combine properly, and food is ready. It is time to eat. Oh yeah, if you've watched to this point, bring your plates. Let me dish for you. You need to join me to test this yumminess. It tastes so good, trust me, and it is very, very healthy for you and your family. So guys, this is what our designer's potato porridge looks like. In fact, camera does not do it any justice at all. It looks good, it tastes even better. So let me know if you'll be trying this recipe. So back to our challenge, guys. After cooking, I was able to have 1 seasoning cube left and about 3 bulbs of onions. So you guys should be the judge. Do you think I did well? Did I pass the 1,500 naira cooking challenge? Is it a yeah or nay? Let me know in the comment section. So guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you've watched to this point, please hit that subscribe button. Give me a nice comment, because this stress, it was much. Give me a huge thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.